training session where we're going to prepare ourselves for a virtual or blended preschool summer camp. Blended learning preschool summer camp. We'll have virtual and we'll have brick wall combined together. Some of us has teachers are here training, and you're going to see one of the experiments that we plan to do today. Thank you for watching, and keep watching. Look how you make these things as a child. Yeah, seriously, the children, I see that they probably better than us making boats. So the children are going to be making their boats. So we weren't given any instructions, so we are trying to be as creative as we can making our boats. Now, I haven't made a boat in a long time, so I'm not even sure if what I'm doing is going to work, but I'm trying anyhow. Okay, I think it just may work. Ooh, I tore mine. I'm gonna have to start again. That happens sometimes. We make mistakes and go again. Now, as you can see, we are here preparing for the summer camp, so that when we get our children, we are fully prepared and ready for what's going to take place. So don't feel odd sending your children to the summer camp. It's going to be safe, it's going to be fun, and as you can see, it's going to be very hands-on. Okay. Now I'm going to try and make it a little smaller because it has to go in this bowl. Make sure there's no holes up in my boat so it doesn't sink before I'm ready. How are you coming along?
It was too big. I need to get smaller to fit inside the bowl.
Okay. So I'm going to pour my water in and test it first. So my boat is actually floating. Oh, it actually floats. So now I'm going to start putting my coins in. My boat is taking in water. So a couple things happen. Of course, it is an experiment, and I'm gonna have to report on all the things that happen. I mean, it's still floating. Oh, I didn't count my coins.
No, it's a cargo.
The cargo is wet. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
That's a lot of cargo.
Yeah. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. And as you can see, I'm actually teaching them how to count as well. So math is coming into play. It's a S.T.E.A.M summer camp and it's integrated. So we were at 26, 27, 28, 29. I was talking, so I gathered more water. 30, and that's it. In addition to the water, I placed 30 coins in mine and it sank. I hope you enjoyed this video.
I think that's about it.
Let me see.
Oh, it's starting to sink. 14.
The cargo got wet and sunk.